Alright, is it possible to turn a boiled egg back into a raw one? I know 99% of people here will say no, but if I show you how to make this impossible task possible, will you subscribe to my channel? Okay then, to turn a boiled egg back into a raw one, you basically need two things. One item is urea, and what the second item is, I will tell you at the end of the video, so watch the video carefully. First of all, an egg needs to be boiled for 20 minutes until the proteins in the egg white tangle up and harden. Now, once the egg is boiled, after peeling off the shell, only the hard egg white is cut and mixed with the chemical urea. The urea chemical chemically loosens and relaxes the tight protein tangles. As a result, the hard egg melts and turns into liquid. However, the protein structure is still disrupted. Next, that liquid mixture is put into a special high-speed rotation machine with a glass tube called a Vortex Fluidic Device. To restore the protein to its previous form, the egg inside the glass tube of the device has to be spun at an extremely high speed and at a specific angle. Under the pull of this intense rotational force, the loosened proteins return to their previous natural folds or shapes. Then, in just a few minutes, the hard-boiled egg white turns back into clear and raw liquid protein just like before. But it is no longer possible to eat this egg. I hope you understood. If you found the video even a little informative, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video as much as you can. Now, what that second item was, I have already mentioned right inside this video. If you didn't catch it, watch the video once again.